Good morning. God bless you. Class, this is fifth lesson from chapter number 5. And today we are going to study the last topic of this chapter, microorganisms and decomposition. Okay, first we cover the definition of decomposition. It is the study of all microorganisms involved in decomposition. The chemical and physical processes during which organic matter is broken down and reduced to its original elements. So, the process of decay takes place after death in case of plants and animals. You know, when animals or plants die, they are full of matter. That matter is not live, that's dead matter now. And this dead material is eaten and converted or decomposed or decayed by microorganisms. And microorganisms are very tiny organisms like bacteria, like fungi, like virus. They consume that dead matter and waste and convert them into their elements. So this is the process which is performed by microorganisms. As this picture is showing that the living organism, animal, after death, it is being decayed, decomposed, and converted into its simpler substances. Simpler substances means the composite elements, and these composite elements are released in the environment. In this picture, their composite elements or nutrients are released in the soil, which are further absorbed, which are onwards absorbed by the plants as their nutrients. So here we cover few more important points that who does decomposition. I told you that bacteria and fungi are important decomposers and they break down dead material and waste matter into simpler substances. And you know what? They release nutrients into the environment. And decomposers get their food from that dead matter. Means decomposers absorb only some of the nutrients and the rest are released in the atmosphere. And plants absorb these released nutrients by their roots. As we know that when plants absorb water, with absorption of water, they are also absorbing dissolved minerals from the soil. And decomposers help to recycle nutrients and ensure that dead and waste matter do not accumulate or gather on the earth's surface. So this is how the decomposition is a very important process. It seems that it's something is rotting or spoiling off, but in other words, it is basically recycling the matter into its nutrients, into its composite elements, and it is the process in which nutrients are recycled. Like in this picture, you can see that the apple is being decomposed, and as the process continues, the matter or the food is stored in this apple is being almost about to be released in the soil after its decomposition. And who is converting, who is carrying on this process? That is none other than microorganisms. Now, question of the day is, decomposers help to recycle nutrients. You will be able to write the answer of this question not only with the help of this video lesson, but you have to and you are advised to read the topic thoroughly with the help of pictures from your textbook, then ink out the answer. Class, I am finishing here. with the hope that you will be writing the answer of today's question. And God bless you. Take care.